2. Shout out to having part 2 of things, because you know how we got stuff cracking all the goddamn time around here. You know, Team BWC, we busy. We busy. I'm sitting here finishing the upload of Spider Pig's video on Rumble at the moment, so y'all know we we working, baby. We working. We get up Saturday morning working, putting it in. Let's see. Here's so far what we done built of the set. I believe we got 2 or 3 bags of that done. We'll see. We're gonna get the rest done today though. Shout out to getting that Christmas gift. Cause you know, I appreciate that. Y'all already know we got our little guys lined up over. So far we done already built them in the bags too. So we only got a couple bags left to go on the build. And then we'll have this new Lego set put together, which y'all already know how we gonna do. How we gonna do. We gonna scroll down on this video, accept our terms and conditions, upload that, and now we can go back over here till that's finished loading. Because we already got our videos queued up. Shout out to the queued up videos.
Can be quite relaxing. Everybody run for your life! The Grim Reaper is tending the garden again! Grim,
Everybody in New York was calling to get down with Mr. Nice Guy. We met all kinds of customers, like this guy here. He's what we call an enhancement smoker, because he thinks that marijuana makes every activity that much better.
Casa su casa.
Observe.
You're Scarface, right?
Yeah.
I love Al Pacino, man. Did you ever see Son of a Woman?
Yup.
You ever seen Son of a Woman? On weed? That's the way to say it, man. It's just whack.
$60, yo.
Oh, man. I got it. Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill, man?
No, I don't know, yo.
Did you ever see the back of a $20 bill? On weed? Oh, there's some weird shit in there, man. There's a dude sitting in the bushes, man. Does he have a gun? I don't know, man. I don't know. What? Red team go. Red team go. It's just some weird shit.
Yeah, you fucking crazy, yo.
Oh, it's cool. Thanks, man. Hey, yo, wait. Dude, I'm gonna check out the stars later. It's really trippy. Especially on weed, man.
So anyways, back in real life, we are on bag 3. Shouts out to the bag 3, yay. We're going to do exactly what they did and pour it all on the bed. Shout out to the bed, because, you know, I made it when I got up. Shout out to the new Rick and Morty pajamas, because y'all people on Rumble got to see them. The people on YouTube ain't seen it yet, because y'all ain't got to see me stand up yet. But anyways, that's another story. Watch the videos on Rumble, and you might get to see some behind the scenes stuff, because, you know, Rumble got a better camera anyways.